guys, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video I'm going to show you guys my updated eyebrow tutorial. I know I've done a video on eyebrow on how to fill in your eyebrows and clean them up previously, and if you haven't seen that, you can go to my channel, my YouTube channel, on the link that appears right here. If you haven't seen my previous video on YouTube on eyebrows, please don't. That it's an old video, and it was around the time I thought I knew how to do eyebrows. Yes, but with time we get to grow and we get to discover new things and how to do your eyebrows in a different way, and that's what I've discovered, and that's what I've adopted over the years. So this is my updated eyebrow tutorial. So if you want to see how I did it, please keep on watching. First, we're going to start with clean brows. Twist or untwist, it really doesn't matter. Also make sure that there is no other product on the brows. Using a spoolie brush or an eyebrow brush, I'm going to gently comb my brows up. This will help me see the shape I'm going to work with. Next, we're going to use any white eyelash glue. I'm going to squeeze out a pea-size amount on the back of my hand and run a spoolie brush through the glue and apply on my brows, pushing them up like as I did in the first step when I was combing them. Let it dry. Next, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in dark brown and the small angled brush from BH Cosmetics brush set. I'm going to slightly dip into the pomade. A little bit of this product goes a long way, so that's why I recommend to dip slightly. I'm going to draw some strokes following the direction which my eyebrows are facing, using a light hand. Do not press too hard on the skin because your eyebrows will end up looking muddy, and we don't want that. We want natural looking eyebrows. We don't want to look like a clown. Mostly eyebrows are less thicker at the beginning and at the end, but they are more thicker in the middle. So that's the pattern that we are going to follow. Alright, so I've done the other side off camera, and what I'm doing now is I'm going to use the same spoolie brush to just comb up the hairs again and blend them together with the pomade. Taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer and using a small concealer brush, I'm going to slightly dip the brush into the concealer. Starting from the middle part, I'm just going to clean up under my eyebrow using short strokes, if we can call them that. I find it easier to do it this way because it helps me focus on the shape, and it often comes out smart with this technique. You get little to no mistakes than if you were to just swipe from the beginning of the brow going towards the end. The concealer shade that I'm using in this video is called Warm Honey. I just drag down the concealer on my brow bone to kind of like blend it using the brush. If you hadn't twisted your brows, as I sure haven't, make sure that you dab a little more concealer only on the part where you are trying to hide those unsightly brow hairs, so that we conceal them and make sure that all the hairs that are coming out of the shape of our brow are concealed, and perfect your shape as you go. After that, you need to blend the concealer. I like to use my fingers. You can use a clean brush to do this, but I prefer to use my finger because it gives me that complete undetected blending. taking my LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation in the shade Warm Caramel. I'm gonna start carving out the top part of my eyebrow with the same concealer brush that we used to clean up under our eyebrow. Also, we need to highlight the bottom part of our eyebrow in case we need to use eyeshadows, so that our eyeshadows can, pop. Please be assured that you need to do this at a slow pace. You need to take your time to, carve out the shape that you prefer. Eyebrows are very tricky. They are as tricky as doing eyeliners, which first of all you need to pray before you do them. So as you can see, I'm taking my time to slowly carve out and perfect the shape that I want, and to just blend out all the foundation that looks unblended. It has blended so well into my skin. It hasn't left any streaks, and this is how your eyebrow needs to look like. So yeah, this is the final look, you guys, and I've done the other side off camera. Also note that we are all different. We have different eye shapes, we have different brow shapes, we have different brow preferences, whether in terms of whether you want them small or thin or thicker. It all depends on you. I like mine thicker so that they make me look youthful. So yeah, all you need to do here is just follow the steps that I laid out for you guys, but in terms of the size, whether thick or thin, it's up to you. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, follow and like my page on Facebook, BeautybyRaz, and share the video. Until next time, bye.